By now you're probably already familiar with the speed and strength of the Fencestay temporary fencing solutions for your farm paddock. Whether it be the FS1000 teamed up with standard size stock posts or the FS2000 for the stock post XL, all of your steel post requirements are met with these revolutionary end systems. They suit temporary fence systems whether they be prefabricated mesh, plain wire or electric. But up to now, the problem has been attaching your gate. The solutions have been very temporary. Meet the Fencestay gate hinge kit and gate latch kit. Problem solved. Let's see how they work. Installing the gate kit's pretty simple. All you've got to do is start out by putting the two plates for your bottom gudgeon pin together and then put bolts loosely through the two holes nearest the pin. That'll hold everything together so you can put it on the post easily and makes it a one-man job. Next thing you want to do is put together your top bracket the same as you did the bottom, with two screws nearest the assembly. Now the next idea is to mount your gate on the bottom gudgeon pin and measure up to get this bracket as high up the steel post as you can, utilising two holes. And we've got an adjustable slide, so no matter what brand post you buy, you're in business. And remember, this is only a temporary solution, so it should only last 10 years or so. So if you need a gate on a temporary fence in your paddock, this might well be the system for you. The latch kit is even simpler, and you've got two options with this one. You can connect straight to the post, or you can mount directly to the gate. Let me show you how. Padlocks sold separately. There's a generous 1 metre of chain supplied in the kit, so even if you're going around an existing timber end assembly, there should be enough chain to well and truly do the job. Obviously, if you're going to be using it with a steel post like this, just cut it off with your bolt cutters, you've got a spare bit of chain. Everyone needs spare chain. And if you're after a stronger temporary fence, don't forget you can use the stock post XLs with the FS2000 kit and this gate kit to make an even stronger temporary fence. If you like the look of the latch kit or the hinge kit for gates for temporary fences using steel posts, make sure you hit the link in the description. And to ensure you don't miss out on great new gear like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button too. I'll catch you next week.